Right up on there. Yeah. I want to throw my frag out there, but it seems
Camera person, you might not want to stand there. Don't stick your nose out there.
yeah.
If you're gonna shoot, come back this way.
Yeah.
Alex, don't get there.
Well, you're gonna have cover and move it. I'm gonna push it back.
Get it. Alex, come here. Stand right here. We'll cut them off. They won't even. Because if they push it out further, then they're wide open.
I mean, they left like that much open if you go from an angle, but. I think they realize it's not much further they can go. These guys are all loaded on them. We should unload all this shit and open the door. Just pop them all from the back.
I know, that would have been funny. If we took all that shit out and just ran out that door.
We'll catch them all from the back.
Yeah, but then there's a surface right there, they all respawn.
Yeah.
I'm a
Start here. Too bad we don't have like an axe. Go stand out there. Here, we can open that door a little bit for you. Yeah, just make sure if you take your goggles, look that way. I just don't want a ricochet coming in here. I wish we had a fucking hammer to hammer through like one of the walls and go that way.
Yeah, but then we all get taken out and they have way in.
Not for nothing, these doors open that way. I thought we were supposed to have 6.
Second the door! The other door! Yeah, okay. Where's that hole go?
It's just an old kitchen. You can't go any further.
Yeah, where's our hospital?
Hit!
What?
Not everybody. Only 6 out here, so we did the hospital.
I'd say just fucking break all that shit down, man, and make it more interesting.
Yeah, but that door, Alex, goes out. It swings this way. Those doors.
Okay, so they can open it if they wanted to then.
Yeah, but those doors kick out. So right now, all they had to do is take the door on the outside off, and they can open those doors.
Does anyone have a Phillips head screwdriver? Negative. Fuck, I should have carried one more people with me.
Yeah, they don't open the door that much, so you're gonna get it in.
Is that, Alex, does the door kick open or come in?
It opens out.
The fucker just hit up full.
Keeping it that much, so anybody goes near there, you'll get a shot.
Push. Hey, you guys.
Over there! From where?
You just dropped your pistol.
Yeah, do that.
Hey, you guys want to do something? Take that rolling cart and just shove it out the fucking hallway. Hit the doors and keep running.
There's a air conditioning unit right in the middle of the hallway.
Fucking go.
I'll go get it. Whoever just goes through the door first.
There you go.
Wait, hold on. Before you push everything out, can anybody get in it?
Get in it. It's like.
See if we can get in it.
Oh, all you gotta do is swing that door open.
I'm fucking going for this shit.
Here, Alex. You don't fit.
Yo, put him inside of it and then scoot into the room.
Alright, well, don't drop there. Dude, there's a bunker right outside of that door. They got 2 tables up. I don't know how good that plan is. Okay, guys, get ready to... What are you doing?
Turn sideways. I wouldn't want to be in that fucker. I was just gonna say use it as a. That's like a fucking suicide bomb.
Nice.
Did he have it inside the thing and just dropped it?
Touch on that gun, peek around.
Hey guys, let's be able to use these doors. Oh, you guys did kick it up. Okay, that works. Stack up around the other side. Should we clean some of this out so we can?
But it works towards our advantage this round.
Yeah. I'd leave it open so we can just, you know, we can cover. I mean, if they get in this room, where are they gonna go?
Leave this open?
Yeah, I would.
You trying to tie up that door?
We tie it shut. I can't open it.